Boogity, 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 boogity. Anyways, back with another review for the Get Upside app. Last review, I talked about how to invite your friends, but I did forget to mention that after you invite your friends, so-called friends that you've never met, but you met them at a gas station, so now that they're your friends, you could check out how they're doing later on in life. Look, I've made $95 so far, $95.73. I have 24 referrals, and I have 8 referrals by my referrals, which means I'm making money on top of money. I'm building up interest. It's like a small savings account. I'm doing nothing, but I'm gaining something. It's the best feeling in the world. It's called passive income. So, um, it's just another reason for you to use the Get Upside app. Like, I don't understand why you wouldn't. So these are some of the people that I sent over that I got to sign up. They've been using it. The most recent person that has used it is these people. Not going to reveal their information right now or ever, but they are still using it and I am still getting paid off of it. So, as I said, pyramid scheme. Making money while I sleep, while other people spend money, I make money. Anyways, that's it for this review on the Get Upside app. Peace.